Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Agina Craft. So, on today's agenda, we have this bathroom uh, shelf unit, which had a little accident. So, we had this since we moved in to our house, and our landlady cleaned the house. And the problem with this was that the varnish on the top was peeling up because this was in the bathroom, right? It was swollen and shrunk and swollen and shrunk because of the humidity. And she used some lime scale remover in the bathroom and she poured it here. And it soaked in into the wood like so. And today I would like to show you how I attempt to restore this to its original state. So what I'm trying to do today is to sand it off, clean it up as much as humanly possible, see how deep the damage goes, and reapply varnish on top of it to seal it back up. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to sand this, remove the top layer, and then see what the damage is. Okay, so I got my old trusty sander here, and I put some 40 grit on it because I want to remove the top layer of varnish and this residue here. So yeah, watch me do that. Well, it didn't go as well as I planned it, so I have an idea. I'm gonna hit it with a heat gun because sometimes when you hit food coloring with a heat gun, it evaporates and the color disappears. So hopefully it's the same kind of dye what they use in food coloring, and if I hit it with a heat gun, it will just disappear. No, no, not really. Can't make it any worse, can I? Hit it with a blowtorch. I have to remove the top layer anyway. Look, it actually works. It disappeared. Let me try it here. Dude. Dude, it's working. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Now I need to make sure. Okay. So next step. Back to the sander. Well, I'm not sure if it's working or not. Okay, let's give it another go. Gently apply heat. It's better. Still not good enough. Alright, so thanks to some movie magic, I removed the top piece. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it to the bed sander and try to remove as much as I can and make it flat. So I'll be back in a second. I'm gonna hit it with the heavy stuff. So I'm back. I sent it to the planer, sent it through the sanding belt. And I'm back. So, what did I learn today? What I learned is don't go too hard on planing and thinning out the material because you're gonna end up with screw holes popping through. Yeah, I fucked it up. But how I fixed it is I used some sawdust from the planer, stuffed it in there, and I applied super glue to it, and then I sanded the whole thing again. Now I know it's two ugly holes, yes, but it's better than the big blue spot in my opinion. And on my channel I document everything, even my fails as well, because I think that there is a value in that too. That if I can learn something, even through my own failures, you know, then you might be able to get something out of it too. So we're gonna carry on with this project even after I fucked it up, and yeah, see where it takes us. Sorry about that. I feel really bad about this. So what I done here is I mixed some polyurethane varnish with some paint thinner, and now I'm just rubbing it on, applying it to the board like so. I'm so sad about these holes. I really wanted to have a very nice feel-good project, and now I messed it up. Dude. Anyway, if you want to see a very nice feel-good project, check out my seabed coaster making project. We are going on a field trip there, and we are collecting seashells from the shore and stuff. We're going to the beach. Anyway, most of the people don't watch this part of the video anyway, so who cares? People's attention span got so short that they don't even sit through a 5 or 10 minutes video. Also, I'm so noob, I'm not really entertaining, and I'm boring as fuck. Anyway, enough me rambling. So, I put the first coat on everywhere. I give it an hour or two to dry. And I'm gonna apply the second coat and the third coat. I'm gonna apply 3 coats of this. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, boys and girls, this is how we look like after 3 coats of varnish. Pretty nifty. Yeah, sorry about those holes. I'm really not happy about those. Maybe one day I make a new top for this, but right now I'm happy with what I got. Hey, learn from my failures. This is the channel for that too. So don't go too hard on planing, and if you can't save it, just paint over it. Thank you for watching, and sorry about this fail. Hope you got something out of this video, and sorry about wasting your time. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.